I'm excited to see what it's going to look like all finished. It looks so good right now. I mean, they have done unbelievable craftsmanship. Farm progress so far. They were going to, pretty much all they have left to do at this point is to set the trusses on the top, which requires a crane. They were going to do that today, but it's very windy today. Hopefully not as windy as this was, but it wouldn't have worked out with the crane, so I guess we'll probably have to resume next week. But once they get the trusses up, then they'll have to put some boards along the top to bolt the metal to screw it to, and then the metal on the sides, and it'll about be done. So I don't know if you can hear the wind, but we're quite over the wind, but we're not in control of it. Alright, so we actually come down here because we gotta do a few things. They're actually calling for snow tomorrow and Friday. Today is Wednesday the 20th. It's actually my birthday today. But I was going to give you an up close and personal look here at the barn. So, which I think I talked about in my update video. We made this barn, the rebuild, 20 foot wider than it was before, so that we won't have that anymore. So yeah, here she is. She's got 2 12-foot doors in the front. We were originally going to do one door in the middle on the back, but Amanda kind of talked about it, and I thought it'd be a little bit better if we had these doors lined up so it's straight shot. So it'd be easier like maneuvering equipment and stuff, because back here where this will be solid, this is where our hay will be. So then we'll have, you know, everywhere else for equipment and stuff like that. So there should be no reason we would need to like be over here. So I thought it'd be better if this was lined up. Hopefully that works out. I don't know. In my head, I thought it would. So hopefully it will. But yeah, so here she is. It's so wild, so crazy. But I'm excited to see what it's going to look like all finished. It looks so good right now. I mean, they have done unbelievable craftsmanship. They've done a great job. It's just been 2 of them the whole time, but they have done a fantastic job. Oh, and we also, originally we weren't going to, but all these doors were just going to be open. And eventually we thought we might add doors, but we were talking to the builder and he's like, well, the way you have to like do the tracking and stuff for the doors, because they'll just be sliding doors. He said it's better to go ahead and do it now than try to do it after the fact. So we are gonna go ahead and get doors put on too. So exciting. I'm ready to have everything back in its place and also not have to look at